Hello guys, welcome to my new channel Greenmate Tips. Here I comes to the another important topic, GT. Giving GT is as important as revising the important topics. Okay, today I am recording this video on 15th Feb. From today the exam is just exactly 4 months. March, April, May and then June. Okay, so as we are always, everyone is focusing on revising the important topics, giving multiple revisions of a particular topic, of a particular subject. The same importance goes to GT. We have a bad notion that thinking about the revision of the topic is only important. It's actually a very bad notion that we constant hammering our brain with this thinking. Giving GTs equally as important as revising, and giving GTs also helps us to revise the important topics. So GT, just like everyone says, GT is very important, and I am telling you why it is very important. Without wasting time, how is GT, how to give GT, let's not talk about this. This is the perfect time to tell about how many GTs we need to give. So let's first come to the question, how many GTs we need to give now. Okay, from today onwards, we have 4 months. So just today is 15th Feb, approximately 14 days left to end this month. Okay, in this 14 days we can give one GT, 1 to 2 GT. Okay, if you want to give every week. If you don't want to give every week, we can give them 1 GT. Okay, fine. 1 GT is the perfect for this 14 days. And then comes to the March. March we have the 30 days. Then 31 days, sorry. Here we need to give 31 days, minimum 2 GTs. Maximum you can give how many GTs, that depends totally on your preparation. So I am not telling about that. But minimum you have to give 2 GTs. Okay. Giving GT is not okay. Let me first complete about how many GTs we need to give, then I will tell the rest of the topics. 2 GTs in April month, try to give minimum 3 GTs, 3 to 4 GTs. 3 GTs is the perfect, 4 GTs is the perfect. Why I am telling wait, because 4 GTs means every week we need to give 1 GT. Okay, every week we need to give 1 GT, as because it helps us to analysis that how is our progress, is our revision is in the right progress, or we need to concise more our topics, and helps us to remind more important things. Okay, I think so. Revision, giving GTs in the April month, minimum 4, and in the May month we need to give 3 GTs, because 3 GTs I am telling what the GTs. Marrow, that before the NEETPG exam they give one, that mock exam, the champion exam. Prep letter, the NEETPG champion exam they give for the free everyone, and the DAMs also they give also the free for everyone. So 3 different platforms we can give, and if you can give for Dbmci or cerebellum, you can give at your wish, means any platform you can give all their championship mock exam just before the NEETPG, because that paper is very important. They give with that faculties made this paper with a point of view of coming all the important questions to give to the students that come before the exam, that might come in the exam. Okay, so if we try from various platforms, we will get a very good edge over the topics. So already we have completed our revision, or we are going that through the revision phase in the May month also, just about to complete the fourth revision. Yeah, just what I have said in my previous videos, the revision strategies, the revision schedule. And in the June month, the last month, we have only 15 days. So I would rather suggest don't give GTs in the June month, or if you want to give, just give 1 GT at the very beginning, as because so that the flow of your giving GT doesn't break before the exam. The real exam will feel you like just 1 more GT, and we need to score 1 good marks for our perfect NEETPG rank. Okay, so as because many of them, by chance if your marks dip, or your preparations or your, if you feel very depressed that your marks dip in this GT, whatever, to judge your exam is just more 15 days before, just after this exam. So what, you will get panic, you will think, you will, all the negative thoughts will start haunting your mind. So better give one GT if you want to give, or I would suggest don't give GT. Focus on the revision strategy. All, just scroll up the pages of the 20th notebook, what I have said in my previous video, how to create notebook, all the important topics in the notebook. Okay, and just give a important read over all the volatile important topics which you have marked through your revision strategy, revision days. And is very, and I think this is okay before giving NEETPG exam. Or you can see any videos, or if you want, just this is my your week, just give and go through of the videos in 2.5x 2x, just give and go through over all the pages. Don't stress your mind, keep your mind cool, and don't stop reading before 5 days or 7 days before the exam. Continue before 2 to 3 days or 1 to 2 days before exam. Keep your mind cool, just focus that you just keep a proper mindset that your GT scores are going well, and one more GT is more 15 days after, and I will do it pretty good. Okay, so now come to the next topic. Just giving GTs is not only the important. Okay, giving GTs and analyzing it is very important. Here in my video, in the right side, you can see that how I analyze the GT. Okay, GT analysis is very important. This is the exam of the Prep Ladder Championship exam that they give free for all the subscribers and the non-subscribers also. Okay, so I have given that exam, and this is how I analyze it. I have seen this exam. I have given this topic. This topic I have done two questions wrong, two questions correct, and one in two and one I might have left. Okay, so this is how I should arrange my arrange all the subject wise: orthopedics, pediatrics, medicine, then prep, then gynae, obs gynae, and then how many correct, how many incorrect, and how many I have the left. Okay, then so, and correct, if I have guessed it correct, then only you give focus on the correct ones. That your guess might not be right on the day of exam. So if you have guessed it and here it comes correct, that might have the luck to favor you, but you need to see it, okay, before going for the next exam. Because okay, then, and the incorrect ones, I know you will do pretty good. So you have 2 incorrect or 3 incorrect or 4 incorrect maps to max. So you write the important topics what you are doing incorrect of that subject. Okay, so you have written the topics, and don't read that subject now only. Complete the GT analysis. Your GT analysis is over. It will take hardly 2 to 3 hours. Just in the beginning, okay. As you will going start to giving GTs more and more, this GT analysis time will be, you need to squeeze it, because you need to keep more time for the revision, because after GT analysis you have already wrong things you have done, so I need to correct it. Okay, so you need to squeeze it. First it will take 3 hours, then it will take 2 hours, then it will take 1.5 hours. I think 1.5 hours is pretty good to analyze GT, because we cannot rush, we need to do proper analysis also. Okay, so then while studying, you have, don't disturb your revision schedule. Okay, what you have made for the in the coming Monday or the coming Tuesday, whenever you give the GT, here I also want to say the important topic. Try to give GTs in Sunday or on the Monday, because you know, the especially in the marrow GTs, in the marrow point of view, they are about to give the result on Monday afternoon by 2 p.m. Okay, so we don't need, so we can do the giving GT and analysis on the same day. We don't need to give GT before and then analysis, then our energy over the GT gets a little bit down. In the other platform, in every platform, try to give GT on the just before day or on the that day of the exam, when they are about to release that their result, whether it on be 4 p.m. or it is can be 2 p.m. like that. Only in every other platform they are about to release their GT scores. Okay, So yeah, what I was about to say, that don't disturb your revision schedule, continue that schedule as it is. Okay, just you have already marked all the important subjects, all the wrong ones in that subject, and which subject you are about to read on that Monday. Take out that copy or a tab where you have note down all your incorrect ones. Okay, and just find out which topics that you have done wrong. With an analysis means not only the just writing down. Analysis, whether you have forget it, whether you have missed it while revision, or whether you don't know the answer, whether in your notes that that questions or that topics was not written down. So analysis is this part. Then, so I have categorized in 3 different parts. What are the 3 different parts? You don't know, you missed, and in one way you forget it. These 3 only, like this, I think only these 3 can be. Okay, you have analysis, and then analysis your and categorize your incorrect ones in these 3 subcategories. Okay, so it will give you a greater depth in these 3 categories. What we can cover now: you missed this thing, I can cover. You forgot these 2, I can cover. And that our last part is that in my notes it is missed. Okay, this type of category questions will come very little, like 2 to 3, 4 to 5. Okay, it's okay. I think it won't hamper your rank that much. Then what most hamper your rank, this you forgot, or it was in your notes and you missed it by any chance, or by you might overlook while revision because you need to revise a long passage. Sometimes it can be missed. Okay, so don't panic. You have categorized in 3 different categories, and just read it, remember it. And how to remember it, that you know much better than me. Everyone itself has a very different strategy to remember, whether it is mnemonics or whether we are relating with something that can be very helpful, that can give me beautiful sight in the exam, that so that I can remember. Yeah, and doing wrong question in the GTs is also very important, because in the main exam you will remember, yeah, this question was there in the GT and I have done this question wrong, and I have analyzed it and I have seen it in the copy. That flashback will really come during the exam, and that is the most beautiful flashback. Yeah, I have done this wrong, this was there in the book, yeah, this is the answer. That's a very good feeling during the exam. Okay, so done. Analysis of our GT is done. Okay, so our analysis is done, giving GT's frequency strategy done, and now we need to say sometimes with GTs our scores didn't improve. We are giving GTs, we are studying, still our GT scores are stagnant. We are going depression. When I used to do preparation strategy, I used to scroll up Instagram too many or Telegram, and then I used to see many students have the same problem. Sir, we are reading hard, we are doing revision, but our GT scores are stagnant. Sir used to tell the same thing. Then so I am also feeling, in fact with me also many times it happens, especially in the month of our exam was I have given in August. My GT scores were stagnant till March. February it give a hike, then March again it did dip, and then April, from April onwards it start to again rise. Okay, what I have done in those days, that my marks started to grow again. I have thought that this GT I am doing good analysis, but then also my exam, then also I have done wrong in this exam. Analysis is important, of course. Analysis gives you increase your marks 20 to 30%. I have already said in my previous chapter then how to analyze it. This analysis helps you to remind your important topics, and that important topics when you give in the upcoming GTs, it will definitely increase your marks. And some more, and you can increase more your GT marks giving solving custom modules, already. One point I have told analysis, second one is custom module. Okay, solving custom modules is very important. Custom modules, while I am telling, because in this, just before NEETPG, you don't want to solve question bank, because all questions are not very much important and not in the point of the NEETPG also. Custom modules, we can manipulate it, we can create hashtag need, hashtag clinical, hashtag image based questions, hashtag description, hashtag INICET, hashtag FMGE. We can give all our, so we can give a good give of our PYT exam, PYT topics. Okay, so we can do custom modules. Try to solve custom modules 50 questions morning, 50 questions night. So 100 questions per day will give you a good edge over that 100 topics. This is very important. These custom modules helps me to grow my GT marks like minimum 30%. Yeah, so 30% analysis helps me so that I can revise good. 30% custom modules helps me, so more or less 60% my GT marks already increase, and rest 20 to 30% already I have scored from my from reading various topics, from revision, from proper good revision with strategy clearly. So this is how we can improve our GT scores. GT scores are stagnant for each and every individual. No aspirants is not there whose GT score is constantly growing. They have to be stagnant, and everyone has gone through this phase. So everyone has their own strategy to come out of this phase. I shared my own strategy with you, so how I come over of this phase. Okay, so when my GT marks increase, it gives me a good confidence, good boost, and it gives me a clarity that my revision strategy is well, my revision source are good, my revision my GT and my custom modules also are giving a good edge, that yeah, I am in the right pathway. So I have told this one. So this is the reason I have told you that in the month of April you need to give 4 GTs. Don't demotivate it, don't get sad by any of the GT result. Keep your emotions side, try to be strong and try to give more efforts without being emotionally dried up. Okay, so yeah, my GT score is low, I have analyzed it, these are the important reasons, this I need to do, and I will start doing in the 7 days, and I will try this in the 7 days, and I will give GT in the next Sunday. It will definitely improve. Forget about this GT result, start about the next GT topic, start about the start thinking about your revision, and start thinking about giving good performance in the upcoming GT. Okay, this should be your mindset. Okay, so this is what I need to say for this GT. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and hope you like this video. If you need to ask questions more, you can write down in the comment section. Please don't spam it. Hope I have helped you. If you need to ask, you can write down in the comment section. Okay, bye bye, thank you, stay blessed, do the hard work, give all your efforts, don't be demotivated, don't be depressed, nothing. Yeah, I know this is the preparation phase, everyone start getting depressed with their marks or with their efforts. This time is a crisis time, we need to keep our minds cool, just have a good good food, good sleep, and good studies. Bye bye, take care.